Welcome to Conversations at the Crossroads, the podcast where spirituality meets the beautifully messy experience of being human. I'm Jenny, tarot reader, Reiki practitioner, witch, mentor, hairstylist, and the voice behind Conversations at the Crossroads. Each week, we gather here at the Crossroads to explore spirituality and personal growth, the tools that help us navigate an ever-evolving human journey. Some conversations will dive into the mystical, others into the practical, and sometimes we'll sit together through the hard stuff. Along the way, we may explore ideas that challenge us, stories that shift our perspective, or practices that help us walk our path with a little more intention. So wherever you're listening from, take a breath, settle in, and join me at the crossroads. Hey, if you just came from the main episode, welcome back. If you jumped straight into this one, that's okay too. Just know that this is a short bonus meditation meant to help you actually open your own Akashic Records instead of just talking about them. So quick housekeeping, don't listen to this one while you're driving or doing anything that needs your full attention. You're going to go into a light trance state with your eyes closed. Find somewhere that you won't be interrupted for the next 10 minutes or so. Grab your journal or your notes app. And if you wrote down questions at the end of the last episode, have it nearby. If you didn't, that's fine. You can simply ask to be shown what you need to be seen today. When you're ready, get comfortable and let's begin. Close your eyes, if that feels okay for you. Take a breath in through your nose. Let it go slow through your mouth. One more, like that, in and out. Feel wherever you're sitting or lying down. Notice the points of contact. Your body against the chair, the floor, the bed. Let gravity do its job. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. With your next breath, imagine roots growing down from the base of your spine, down through the floor, down into the earth. Not rushing, just settling. The way water finds its way down through the soil. And with your next exhale, imagine a soft light coming down from above you, settling over your shoulders like a favorite sweater. This is your light. Nothing enters your field today that isn't for your highest good. You are safe. You are held. And you're the only one who has permission to be here right now. Now bring the mind to the question that you wrote down And if you don't have one, that's okay. Just silently think or say, "Show me what I need to see today." In your words or with mine, if you'd like to borrow them, silently offer this. I ask to be shown my own Akashic Records, and only my own. I ask with love, with respect, and with the intention to heal. I ask for what serves my highest good, and I release anything that doesn't. And so it is. Picture a place. It might be a library, a garden, a shoreline. Whatever shows up first, trust it. Don't force it to look a certain way. Somewhere in this place, there's a threshold. A door, an archway, a gate, the edge of the water, whatever it is for you. Walk towards it slowly. You'll notice as you get closer that this threshold feels different from anything else around it. Older, quieter, like the air itself is paying attention. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, step through. Notice what's here. It might be a room, a book, a light, a presence, a feeling more than a picture. There's no wrong way to receive this. Some people see clearly, some people just feel it. It may be a single word. All of this counts. Bring your question back to mind now, the one you've carried with you. Ask it now, gently, the way you'd ask someone you trust completely. Whatever comes, a picture, a word, a feeling, a memory, let it come without grabbing at it. You can always come back for more. You don't have to catch everything on your first visit. when you feel a natural sense of completion, even if it's not a dramatic one, even if it feels like a page quietly closing, know that you can begin making your way back. Thank whatever met you there in whatever way feels true. A nod, a word, a hand over your heart. And turn to step back through the threshold the same way you came. Feel the roots at the base of your spine again, gently drawing back up into your body. Feel the light at your shoulders settling in, staying with you, not leaving when your eyes open. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and when you're ready, let your eyes open. Take a second before you do anything else. Reach for your journal or your notes app and write down anything you remember. Even if it feels incomplete, even if it feels like it doesn't make sense yet, you can make sense of it later. Right now, just get it down. You just opened your own book of life. That's no small thing. Be gentle with yourself for the rest of the day. This has been The Threshold Within, a companion meditation to this week's episode on the Akashic Records. If something came up for you, I'd genuinely love to hear about it. Come find me on Instagram or TikTok at Hex and Hair, or head to www.hexandhair.com. Until next time, be gentle with yourself, be kind to yourself, and I can't wait to see you again on the crossroads. Bye!